Okay, so we've removed the old panels. There they are there. But the new ones are over here. I just wanted to show you the process of making this clean enough to weld will include, on the back side you can see I've cleaned it as well. Got rid of all the bitumen and the paint. The reason I do that is even when the metal gets hot on this side and the bitumen or whatever the paint is actually smokes through, it can also contaminate your weld, make your weld process not as clean as you'd like it to be. The other thing I wanted to detail in this video to show you, we haven't cleaned this up or completely finished cleaning this up yet, but with the bottom chassis rail frames on these cars, they did actually do a gal finish on them. And that's what you can see there. You can see it's got a zinky look to it. That's the clean metal when the gal's gone. You have to get rid of this gal, otherwise it will contaminate your plug welds through here, and you'll find every second or third or every single weld is not satisfactory enough. We're talking about structural here, so we have to make sure that the welds work extremely well, and I always test them by trying to separate the panel with a chisel as I go, just to check that, make sure that the penetration is happening and that we're actually joining the base metals together. With a MIG you can actually have the MIG weld sit up on the plug weld and only weld this side of the panel and not weld through onto the other side. So we've got to get rid of all this gal, even through there. I think you can see it just there, the difference in the colour. That's like a whiter grey. That's clean, that's still got gal on it. Gal's very detrimental too when you burn it with a welder to breathe it. It's not good. If you're welding your panels or doing something on your classic car and you get the white sort of flame look patch off the smoke off the side of the weld, you know you've got gal happening. You've got to clean it off and make sure the welds penetrate and join the two bits of metal together.